Hi, I'm Patrick Pdeuley. I'm the Senior Product Manager for the GitLab Ecosystem Group. For the 12.4 kickoff, I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about what ecosystem will be doing, the new team members that we have on the ecosystem team, and then what we'll be working on for the 12.4 kickoff. Ecosystem is going to be supporting our integrations with third-party systems and our APIs and SDKs. So today our priorities are going to be around the integrations that enable customers who are looking to operate GitLab at large scale. So these are primarily enterprise customers who are looking to integrate with Jira and Jenkins, but those integrations will also cover things like Slack. We'll be responsible for the internal development and maintenance of those integrations and the expansion into new integrations over time. We're also going to be responsible for the API and SDK development. So we'll be the primary maintainers and developers of the GitLab APIs, the GitLab client libraries, and the overall developer experience. We really want developers who are looking to build on top of GitLab to have an incredible developer experience, so it's really easy for you to just dive in and start coding. You can learn more about where we're headed on the GitLab website under Direction Ecosystem. I'll leave a link in the comment below. So we've got a new team. I just started a couple months ago, and Nick Wen and Arturo Herrero started last week on September 2nd. We've also got a shared researcher with the rest of the enablement stage, Eileen. And then coming soon, we've got a front-end engineer starting at the end of the month, a back-end engineer in November, and then we have an opening for a product designer that'll come up in November. If you have any candidates that you think would be a great fit for this team, please send them my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. So let's talk about 12.4. So for 12.4, we've got 5 issues that we've pulled out for Arturo and Nick to start working on. So the first one we're going to talk about is Jira integrations not transitioning correctly from a merge request. So you can see in this example that Ryan here has created, the MR has been accepted, it was merged, and it says that it closes EN9 there. But if you go over to Jira, it hasn't successfully closed. So we need to go track down what's causing that and go figure that out. We've also got wrong merge request title after created from proposal. So that's referring to when you hit create merge request. It should grab the task in Jira, which should look like this, the all caps dash number, and instead it's creating it with lowercase and no dash. There is a broken favicon when you use a relative URL. And what that means is if you have it set up so it's your GitLab instance is something.com/GitLab. So if you do that, it doesn't correctly set up the URL for the favicon, and it looks like it's adding an extra /GitLab in there. So if you look at the example URL that they've provided here, see it's got these 2 GitLabs instead of only 1 GitLab. So we need to go track that one down. Russell Dickinson, who's an awesome tech writer, is working on updating some outdated Jira configuration info. Linking to Jira projects with keys that start with a number doesn't work. So this is pretty straightforward. If you've got a project that's got a key that's ABC, works fine. If your key is instead 123, it does not work fine. We have a regular expression that is testing for the key name, and it doesn't seem to be picking up key name starting with numbers correctly. And then finally, merge request process breaks if an integration endpoint is unreachable. That's pretty straightforward. If the integration endpoint is unreachable, it looks like the Jira project service does not catch the error correctly if it's unable to hit that. So that's it for 12.4. If you have any questions, any feedback, please contact me directly at pdeuley@gitlab.com. And you can always hit me up at Pdeuley on any issues on gitlab.com. Please mention me so I can take a look at things. And if you create any new issues or you see an issue that's already there that needs our attention, please make sure to label them as group ecosystem so they show up on our board. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.